Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford F150 key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is widely available. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, typically taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all buttons and components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test the key fob's functionality by locking and unlocking your vehicle. Your Ford F150 key fob should now be working perfectly with its fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.